Hi friends, this is Cori from Cori Style. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have a manga haul for you, a small one, but before I continue with this video, please just remember that I use this channel to practice my English pronunciation, okay? So I don't want to make the introduction very long, so we will just start opening this box. I decided to start a new manga series. Normally I buy mangas that are already completed or one volume mangas, but this time I decided to start buying an ongoing series. I think the manga already finished in Japan, but on my country they are still publishing it. They are halfway there and they publish the new volumes every 2 months. So I have been ordering from the publisher's website. Sorry about my English. I think this is the 4th or 5th time I order from there. So let me show you what I got. It has some paper. That's the only protection beside the box. And I decided to get the Yu-Gi-Oh manga series. Yu-Gi-Oh has been one of my favorite series of all time. I started with Dragon Ball, Sailor Moon, Slam Dunk, a lot of old animes, Sakura Card Captor, Rurouni Kenshin, and also Digimon, of course, and also Yu-Gi-Oh. So I have been wanting this series, but I was a little bit like delaying it because they are currently publishing this one. As I was telling you, first let's check all the volumes in here, 9, 10. Okay, so all the volumes were on the package. I got from volume 1 through 11. 11 they published this one this month. So I decided to get this manga series because, let me show you, I noticed that on the first page you have one of the major arcana of the tarot. If you have been following me on this channel for years, or if you knew, I also had another channel where I made tarot readings. So the tarot is very important in my life. I was a tarotist for a long period of time. I currently make readings for myself only, but it's something that I really enjoy, especially decks with anime looks and stuff like that. So when I discovered they had the major arcana in here, I decided to get it. Okay, so actually it's very pretty, the quality, golden covers, and it's the drawings you can see here. I'm very excited to start reading this one because I have never read this one before. Oh, this has some stains in here, but it's okay. I have never read this manga before, maybe just like 3 of the chapters that I got on a Shonen Jump magazine or something like that. So I'm very curious. Speaking of Kaiba, one of my dream crossplays is Kaiba's cosplay with the white coat. So I hope someday I can make that cosplay. I already have like the dual disc and all of that, but I still need to work a lot on it. Covers are very nice. I really like the way they designed them. And this is the last one. As I was telling you, they released this one this month, so I will need to wait 2 more months until I can get the next volume. And I think there are only 22 volumes for this series, so I'm at half of it, and it matches with the theme that there are 22 major arcanas. So I'm not going to open all of them, I just want to show you a little bit of them. Okay, so it's the same cover, as we can see here. let's check the card. Oh, so they changed a bit as they went by. So the first one was completely golden. This is the strength card. You can see the number in the top, but this one has color on it and some shiny gold in there. I'm really not going to open it, but I'm curious now to see a random one. Okay, so here too we have already coloring here and a little bit of gold, so I'm guessing they decided to change, or maybe this one, since it was the first volume, it was full color, but it's really pretty. I mean, all of them are really pretty. I will be sharing the rest of the covers as days goes by on my Instagram probably, so if you're interested, you can follow me there also as Cory Style. All the links are in the description below. And maybe in the future I will also show you my small Yu-Gi-Oh collection. I have a few things. I used to collect some of the cards and stuff like that. And I'm also planning a video about my manga collection, but I'm still working on that one because it keeps changing and changing. I wanted to show you my manga organization video, but it keeps growing my collection, so I have to pause that one. But I promise I will start working on that video. Since I already started collecting this one too, I will put it into its place, and then I will probably make a small manga tour for you if you're interested. I will be showing the old mangas that I collected, the new ones. I don't have a lot of series, but I have the ones that I feel more attached to. So my friends, I hope this video was enjoyable for you. I hope it wasn't that long either. And well, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye bye.